Sawadika Punku. Today I will be presenting my food recipe, the Bangladeshi fish curry. The first step is you have to cut the fish into these small pieces, like this. And then we take out the fish pieces and wash them cleanly, freshly, so there's no more dirt and no more blood in the fish. And these are the ingredients you need for this. So first is chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, chopped onions, we chop tomatoes, green chili, and cumin powder, turmeric powder, white salt, and paprika powder. Then we put this fish in the bowl. And then we have to fry the fish. Before we fry, we need to add turmeric powder, and then we have to add salt, 1 tablespoon. And then we have to mix it together. And then we have to fry it. Then in this pan, we put it on high heat, and then we pour some oil in it, and then we fry the fish. And then we put some oil in the pan, like this. After the oil is already hot, then we start putting the fishes. After one side is already color brown, then we have to flip it to the other side to let the other side cut. So after the first side is already finished frying enough, we flip it to the other side. So this is after we did the first side is already cut. Next step is we add a cooking pot to make the gravy. First we add little oil. Next we add this seasoning. First we add the garlic ginger paste. And then we add the chopped onion. Next we add the chopped tomato. And then we add the green chili. And then we add the powder. So first the cumin powder. And next we add the turmeric powder. Next we add the salt. Next and lastly we add the paprika powder. Then we mix it all up to make the gravy nice. And then after I mixed it very well, now I add some water. To make the gravy more liquid. And then I mix it really well and let it sit and mix it for 1.5 minutes. Now we put the cover and wait for a few minutes and let it cook. After the gravy is cooked well, and now you put the fishes in one by one. Now I will cover. I will let it cook for 3 minutes. So after a few minutes of cooking, my fish curry is done. The last step is finished. Now you can see my heat. Can open my lid. You can see it's already very cooked and nicely cooked. Next step is we serve this fish in the bowl. Put this nicely. And now the last step is your fish curry is ready, and now we serve it with a little bit rice. Put some gravy and the fish. So the name of this fish is sea bass, and the Thai is krapong. So this is kang krapong. Now thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. This was the steps how to make it. Thank you.